Hi, I'm Penny from Penny Price Aromatherapy, and I'm here today to ask you if you've lost your sense of smell recently. Because if you have, smell training or olfactory training can really help you to recover your sense of smell. So what is smell training? Well, it's simply smelling the same 4 essential oils each day, spending around half a minute, yes, just 30 seconds, on each essential oil while really concentrating on what you're doing. It's really easy, it's safe, it's effective, and research shows that it can work. So what do you need? Number 1, our olfactory kit. Our kit has 4 essential oils and 4 nasal inhalers. And I'm going to show you how to assemble the inhalers and how to use them with the essential oils so that you can help to retrain your nose. Number 2, just a few minutes each day. And that's all you need, our kit and a bit of time. So I'm going to show you how to make your inhalers up. Here are the parts of the device. First important part, we have a cotton wad that goes into the centre of the inhaler. Then we have an inner chamber to put the wad in once it's got the essential oils. Then we have the lid to keep the wad in the inner chamber, and then finally we have the cover that goes over the top and screws down to keep your essential oil fresh. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to put this together with the essential oil. So one of the essential oils in our kit is clove bud, and I'm going to first of all just take the lid off the clove bud and putting the nozzle on the dropper of the clove bud onto the wadding like so. Just tip it over and wait just a few seconds while a few drops of the clove bud go into the wadding. You don't need to fill it all the way down, just to about here is absolutely fine. So a third, a quarter to a third. And then we're going to put that into our inner chamber like so. And then you're going to take the lid, press the lid on, and then finally we're going to put the cover on and screw it down. And that's all there is to it. But you must remember to write the name of the oil. So you take a marker pen and write clove bud on the first one that you make. So once it's assembled, you can make the other 3 inhalers. Your other 3 oils in this kit are sweet orange essential oil, geranium essential oil, and basil essential oil. And we've chosen 4 quite different aromas to stretch your olfactory system and help you to retrain your nose for different experiences. So how do you use? Well, you start with your first oil and you simply remove the lid and hold the inhaler just inside the nostril, not too far, just against your nostril. Hold the other nostril closed and take short, rapid sniffs in bursts of 5 for 5 seconds, like this. You then change nostrils and repeat. Okay, so don't breathe too hard or too deeply, you'll go dizzy. And you repeat on each nostril 2 to 3 more times for your first oil. And then you need to rest for 4 to 5 minutes. Now, once you've rested, you move on to the next essential oil inhaler. You do exactly the same, and then you must have a rest. And then you do the next inhaler, and then finally the 4th inhaler, so that you're completing all 4 aromas in about 30 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Okay, so yes, it's going to take you a little time because you need to do this morning and evening, but to regain your sense of smell, we do think it's worth it. While you're sniffing each essential oil, concentrate really hard on what you're doing And if you have any thoughts or feelings about each oil, I recommend that you keep a diary, because even if you can't smell the oil, it will still work on stirring your emotions, and writing down your thoughts can really help your concentration. You can do that part in your 5-minute break between each essential oil. So as I said, this training needs to be done twice a day, morning and evening. If you don't smell anything at first, this is normal after losing your sense of smell. So do please persevere. It can take weeks or longer in some cases. So order your kit today and start to enjoy life again with your sense of smell. See you soon. Bye.